Jamaica. Everybody make a circle, Jamaica. Come again, I make a circle, Jamaica. Everybody make a circle, Jamaica. Come again, circle, Jamaica. Everybody make a circle, Jamaica. Follow me and just circle, Jamaica. Come everybody make a circle, Jamaica. Come with me down in Jamaica, the most wonderful place in the world. Come with me down in Jamaica. Feel the iron love in every boy and girl. Come with me down in Jamaica, the most beautiful place under the sun. Come with me down in Jamaica. Live your life in paradise and have some fun. First, let me take you to the west end side, a place called the Grill where you can hide. Or if you wanna go to Montego Bay and party on the strip every night. There's a natural kind of mystic in Trelawney. Guns River Falls and Notorious takes you high. We'll go St. Mary down to Portland into Blue Lagoon. Then up
is singing and chanting, accompanied by the playing of traditional instruments such as the gombe drum and a bang, which enhance the potent mix of music and history. Kinda means one family, and the tree is believed to have mystical powers. The descendants of the Maroons are said to catch into the spirit of their ancestors underneath this majestic tree. And so, white rum is thrown to ward off evil spirits. A traditional meal of pork and yam is prepared as an offering to the ancestors. The food is unseasoned so that the salts will not scare off their ancestors.